also flip the paper towel over and see what it does. Sometimes the bumps are going in opposite direction like this one. Definitely, the bumps are going down. So if you want those bumps to raise, yeah, see, that's perfectly smooth on this side. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, not so much pattern on that side.
There's no pattern on that side.
It's going to be a smooth
So
one.
we're going to
Okay.
use this side. Watch what happens. Okay, see the bumps that are just there? That's the back side of the Bounty compared to this side. All right, so let's put the textured side towards it and rub. A little bit more rubbing. Rubbing, rubbing, rubbing.
One of our viewers, Linda, is suggesting that it might be cool to pipe over the pattern with different color for a new design.
That's a good possibility. Haven't
Play with
tried
it.
that. Usually I'm focused on
Play with it.
the design that the client wants. But yeah, you can. Because there's some fun ovals on this.
Yeah.
I can see doing a snail trail on that.
And there's a reason for a snail trail?
A snail trail is little tiny lines.
Okay, that's just, I'm sure someone, whoever named it that, might come up with a better name for cake decorating, maybe.
Exactly.
Unless you're actually doing a cake that, snails.
And when you get to a corner, I just noticed how my corner was coming out like this. Like I had actually pushed. Let me show you what I did.
Okay.
Okay, I pushed this way. And I gave myself a little, like that.
Nice. Okay.
So you want to fix it. Oh, look, can you see that pattern?
Yep.
Okay, see how that showed up? That's putting the pattern towards it. Made those lines raise.
Okay.
Okay, so let me find a corner where, all right, this corner right here, I want to fix that. Pushing into it. You want to square up your corner with paper towel. Okay, see how that's pushed out a little bit right there? All right, let's put this up against it. Watching from the back side, I can see where it's going.
Yeah, looking good.
Help you square up that corner if your spatula was overdone. Okay. Something else I wanted to show you guys. Once you get it where you want it, see, I'm just doing a stripping job. Rubbing gently. You can, once you feel the cake, just push gently all the way around it. Nice and smooth. Okay. Putting a border on this. I talked about this on one of my videos on when you've got your teeth on your tip. Teeth where you started. So you fill your bag really full, set your pressure up high, get it to where you make it all the way across without stopping, because if you stop and rotate your bag to set it and fill it back for your pressure, and you start again, teeth are not going to line up and you're going to see where you stopped and started. So I like to take it where I'm starting with a burp. See how I'm going to continuously go all the way across? See how that looks consistent? I'm teaching you guys consistency. Okay? Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you stop and start and rotate. All right, stop, start, rotate, wipe off. You've changed the pressure on your hand. It's hard to remember where you started. Bit of a pro, but can you tell where I stopped and started? No, nobody can tell.
I can tell.
I've been doing this too long. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that one's a little bit different, but then I'm eyeballing it. So okay, I'm gonna intentionally do this. All right. See what I mean? Different angle for me. That's obvious, a stop and
Gotcha.
start. That's my point. So if you keep the pressure and have it full enough where you can get all the way across in one swoop, it looks more professional. And then your customers will like it even better. They won't know where you stopped and started.